In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to perform cleaning and maintenance on a Bush Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Before performing any cleaning and maintenance, ensure that you disconnect the charger and the vacuum is turned off. So that your vacuum works efficiently, it is important to clean the ventilation holes to prevent dirt and debris build-up. Wipe the outside of the vacuum with a damp cloth and then wipe dry. Do not use detergents or abrasives, as this can damage the vacuum. For maximum efficiency, we recommend cleaning the filter within the dust container every time the dust container is emptied. When the dust container has reached the max line or the suction power is reduced, hold the container over a bin and push the release latch. Once emptied, close the lid, ensuring it clicks shut. To clean just the pre-motor filter, press the dust container release button and pull the dust container away from the vacuum body. Then, remove the pre-motor filter and rinse it under running water. Allow the filter to fully dry before refitting. You can then fit the dust container on the vacuum body. To clean the filter and assembly, press the dust container release button and pull the dust container away from the vacuum body. Next, remove the pre-motor filter. Then, lift the filter assembly away from the dust container. Rotate the bottom part of the filter assembly to the unlock symbol and pull away the separate parts within the filter assembly. Rinse the dust container, filter assembly and pre-motor filter under running water. Allow all parts to fully dry before refitting. Refit the internal parts of the filter assembly and rotate the bottom section so that it lines up with the lock symbol. Place the filter assembly back in the dust container, ensuring the protruding tabs are lined up with the tabs on the dust container. Place the pre-motor filter back into position and refit the dust container on the vacuum body. If the roller brush stops spinning, we recommend cleaning the floor head. To clean the roller brush, press the release button and turn the tab on the side of the brush bar upwards to access the brush. You can remove hair or threads from the roller brush with scissors. Avoid using water to clean the roller brush, as this can damage the floor head. Refit the roller brush by pushing it back into position and rotating the roller brush downwards to lock into place. Your Bush Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is now ready to use.